In today's video, I am going to show you how I set up 4 different tablescapes that are very glam and budget friendly. One of them can cost as little as $50. If you are interested in seeing how I do that, please keep watching. If you are new to this channel, welcome. We are glad to have you. Here in this channel, we are all about creating beautiful, glam and happy home. Please take this opportunity to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload a new video. Are you ready? Let's do it! I'm gonna start by showing you how my previews of tablescape look like. I am glad that you see my last tablescape, so this way you will see how I will incorporate some of the things in this table into the new one to give me a totally new look. To me, it's all about using the things that we have at the house first before we go and buy new things. As I mentioned earlier, we are going to be doing 4 different tablescapes for different look. So let's start with the first one. We're gonna start with this mirror that I got from Lowe's for only $6. I'm gonna use these placemats that I got from Home Goods. They were 8 for $12.99. These plates, I got them from the dollar store. I have them approximately 3 years ago, but I'm sure you can find similar one now. I'm using regular silverware that you can get anywhere. And I'm using these cute napkins that I got from Amazon. They are 6 for $10 or 12 for $14. The napkin rings are from the dollar store. I got 6 or 8 for $1. The flower is part of a garland that I bought from Burlington for $10. These wine glasses are from the dollar store. The centerpieces, I'm using that glass that you can get from the dollar store for $1, and the set of roses that I got from Burlington for only $7. I bent the stems a little bit to make sure they were able to fit on the small glass. I'm using 2 apples on the outer side of the centerpiece, and they are from Home Goods, $3.99 each. These glam vases are from Burlington and they are $7.99 each. I sprinkled these glam little eggs that I got from Michael's. All of these were for $2.99. There you go, that's your very first look. Very beautiful, super duper affordable. I love it so much. On to the second look, I'm going to add a little bit of glam on the placemats. The wrap that I'm using is from Amazon. Using my hot glue gun to glue it down, and I also put a stone in the corner of the placemat to finalize the look. For your wine glasses, you can use the same one. For the purpose of the video, I decided to up it up a little bit using these wine glasses, 4 for $10 from Home Goods. I wrapped the dollar store napkin rings with the glam wrap to give it a little bit of sparkle. You know how I like it. That completes the second look. A little bit cheaper than the first one, but with a nice little touch of glam. Move on to the third look. This time we're using 2 glasses, a wine glass and a water glass. The water glass is from Home Goods, and once again they were 4 for $10. And I'm using these large white plates that I got from Home Goods, $3.99 each. They are a little bit cheaper than a charger. I swapped the centerpiece flower for this one that's a little bit bigger, and this one was $16 from Macy's Backstage. Once again, a very nice setup. I love the color. For the fourth and final look, we are starting with this bowl that I got from Home Goods for $4.99. It's very beautiful. There is a golden rim around it. It's not showing too much on the camera, but super cute. And this white one for $2.99, really nice as well. If you want, you can keep the napkin ring with the bling, or you can add the flower for a little bit of zamzam. You got my point, right? This charger for $5.99 at Home Goods. I lay my crystal glam vase in it. I did the same thing on the other side of the table, but this time using a different charger. This one was $6.99 from Home Goods. This egg from Home Goods for $14.99. Is this a cake holder? I don't know what is it, but I'm in love with it. This bling crystal-y thing was from Home Goods for $25. Please put a comment below, let me know the name of it. I have no idea. Honestly, I don't. I tucked in the apples under it. Few of the blinky eggs as well. This way I have a lot of colors. And yes ma'am, this is your final look. Glam, glam, glam. Then I realized the candle will be better on the outer side. Now that's your final look. It was so much fun putting all of these tablescapes together, and they are so affordable. The first two ones cost around $50 to put together. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. We upload new videos minimum twice a week. My next video will be the Burlington shopping haul, and I will be making a giveaway announcement. Please stay tuned for that. On your screen right now are some videos that I think that you might be interested in. Please feel free to check them out. I love you so much for watching today. Until next time, bye-bye.